Hi dear students, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to teach how to solve the system of equations by using LU decomposition method. So there are three given equations are given: x plus 2y plus z is equal to 8, 2x plus 3y plus 4z is equal to 20, and 4x plus 3y plus 2z is equal to 16. These three equations we need to solve by using LU decomposition method. So the very first step is the given three simultaneous equations, we have to put it in the form of matrix form AX is equal to B, where your A stands for the coefficient matrix and your X is going to be the unknown variables, that is X, Y, Z column matrix, and B is the numerical values, that is 8, 20, 16. So the entire system of equation can be reduced to the form AX is equal to B. That is the first step. So for this, we need to find out what is this A. This A is nothing but the coefficient matrix which we get from the given equations. That is, your A is equal to 1, 2, 1. That is, coefficient of X is equal to 1, coefficient of Y is equal to 2, and coefficient of Z is equal to 1. So that I substituted as 1, 2, 1. And similarly for the second equation, it is 2, 3, 4. And the third equation, it is 4, 3, 2. So your A is equal to 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, which I am equating to LU, where your L stands for the lower triangular matrix and U stands for the upper triangular matrix. And for the lower triangular matrix, I have taken all the diagonal value as a unit value, that is 1. So Li, that is L11 is 1 and L22 is 1 and L33 is 1. That is what I have given here, where Li is equal to 1. So A is equal to now L and U. L will take the form 1, 0, 0, L21, 1, 0, L31, L32, 1. And for the upper triangular matrix, it is going to be U11, U12, U13, 0, U22, U23, and 0, 0, U33, etc. So since A is equal to LU, and let me multiply these two matrices, L and U, by ordinary matrix multiplication. So multiplying both L and U, I arrive this as matrix, a single matrix as U11, U12, U13, or ordinary multiplication, that is 1 into U11, that is first row with first column, first row with second, and first row with third, similarly the rest. So by multiplying, I am getting the second row as L21, U11, L21, U12 plus U22, and L21, U13 plus U23. Similarly, the third row is L31, U11, L31, U12, L32, 22, and L31, U13 plus L32, U23 plus U33. Since the equation is A is equal to LU, that is both matrices are equal, I can compare the elements, isn't it? So U11 is equal to 1 then, and similarly U12 is equal to 2 and U13 is equal to 1. So next one is going to be L21 U11 is equal to 2. So L21 U11 is equal to 2. Already U11 is equal to 1. I am substituting that value in this value of 1 here, U11. So I'll be getting L21 is equal to 2. And similarly, when I come here, L31 U11, where L31 U11 is 4. So L31 U1 is already 1 and L31 is 4. So I'll be getting L31 is equal to 4. Similarly, U12 is equal to 2. So the second equation, L21 U12 plus U22 equal to 3. So let us substitute the value. We know L21, we know U12. Substituting this, I can get U22. Similarly, from the third equation, L31 U12 plus L32 U22, it is equal to 3. So that is going to be substituting that rest of the values which we already found. We'll be getting L32 is equal to 5. And then U13 is equal to 1. And L21 U13 plus U23 is going to be 4. So I'm substituting for L21 2, U13 1. So I can find out what is U23. That is going to be 2. Similarly, the last equation, L31 U13 plus L32 U23 plus U33 is equal to 2. So I am substituting this. Whichever the value we knew, we are just substituting so that the value of U33, we will be getting it is equal to minus 12. Now from this matrix, we know the value. So if you go here, we found out what is L21, L31, L32. Similarly, we found out U11, U12, U13, U22, U23, U33. All the values are being found. So let us substitute now for the lower triangular matrix L and U. We will be getting that as your L is equal to 1, 0, 0 and 2, 1, 0, 4, 5, 1, and U is 1, 2, 1, 0, minus 1, 2, 0, 0, minus 2. So having determined the matrices L and U, the system of equation Ax is equal to B now becomes Lux is equal to B. Let us take that as equation number 1. In that equation number 1, let us put Ux is equal to Y. So by substituting Ux is equal to Y, then we will be getting Ly is equal to B, isn't it? So this Ux become Y, we will be getting Ly is equal to B, where your Y is equal to the column matrix Y1, Y2, Y3. The reason of substitution is once we find out the value of Y, okay, by using L and B, then we can go back and substitute here Ux is equal to Y. Since already we found Y from these equations, we already know that U, so it's easy to find out what is X. So that is the reason we are going for such kind of substitutions. And then your L, we knew that it is going to be 1, 0, 0, 2, 1, 0 and 4, 5, 1, and Y is Y1, Y2, Y3, and B is 8, 20, 16. So solving this equation, so again our ordinary multiplication only, matrix multiplication, solving this we get Y1 is equal to 8, and then 2Y1 plus Y2 is equal to 20. So since already Y1 is equal to 8, I am substituting here. So that is going to be 16 plus Y2 is equal to 20. So I will be getting Y2 is equal to 4. Then the third equation is 4Y1 plus 5Y2 plus Y3, that is equal to 16. So substituting the value of Y1 and Y2 in this equation, we will be getting the value of Y3, which is equal to minus 36. So we found what is the matrix, column matrix. Y is going to be 8, 4, minus 36. Okay. So now what is the next substitution? We have to go for Ux is equal to Y. So Ux is equal to Y implies U is going to be 1, 2, 1, our upper triangular matrix, 1, 2, 1, 0, minus 1, 2, 0, 0, minus 12. And X we need to find out. So X, Y, Z, and Y we got from here 8, 4, minus 36. So we are getting your Ux is equal to Y. So here again, let us again our useful matrix multiplications. So by multiplying, I will be getting that X plus 2Y plus Z is equal to 8. And the second equation is going to be minus Y plus 2Z is equal to 4. And the third one is minus 12Z is equal to minus 36. Minus 12Z is minus 36 means Z is equal to 3. And let us substitute the value of Z is equal to 3 in this equations. Minus Y plus 2Z is equal to 4. That is we call backward substitution. We know the value of the last value. From that we find the previous value, then the first value. So from Z equal to 3, if I substitute, I will be getting Y is equal to 2. Now I know Z, I also know Y, that is going to be 2. So let me go and substitute in the first equation. X plus 2Y plus Z is equal to 8. So by substituting, I will be getting the value of X is equal to 1. So this is called the backward substitution, and by backward substitution, we get X is equal to 1 and Y is equal to 2 and Z is equal to 3. That is the solution for the given system of equations. I just want to know whether my answer is correct. For that, you can also, if you have time, you can also go for a verification by substituting any one of the equations. So if I take the first equation, X plus 2Y plus Z is equal to 8, X is 1 and Y is going to be 2, so it's 2 into 2, 4 plus 3, so 5 plus 3, 8. So the equation is satisfied, hence our solution is correct. So this is what LU decomposition method. Please do work out. Thanks for watching my video. Please do subscribe for more videos for your benefit.